Faster than traditional mechanical switches. Razer Linear Optical switch technology uses optical beam-based actuation, registering key presses at the speed of light. 15–30% shorter actuation distance than other linear switches at 1.0 mm. 1000 Hz Ultrapolling. Ultimate personalization gaming immersion with Razer Chroma. Fully syncs with popular games, Razer hardware, Philips Hue, and gear from 30+ partners. Supports 16.8 million colors on individually backlit keys. Quality. Aluminum construction. Covered with a matte, aluminum top frame for increased structural integrity. Oil-resistant doubleshot PBT keycaps. Made of textured, high-grade PBT for a more durable and textured finish less prone to long-term grime buildup. Fully programmable macros. Razer Hypershift allows for all keys and keypress combinations to be remapped to execute complex commands. Top reviews from the United States. Love this keyboard. I love this size and looks of this keyboard. I use it with my Asus G14 gaming laptop and Razer Orochi V2 gaming mouse. I bought the clicky optical switches and love the clicky sound while being faster than a mechanical keyboard. The braided cable it uses to connect to my laptop feels very high quality. The RGB shines well with the white keys and I've had no issues setting it up in Synapse. This is the first 60% keyboard I've owned and highly recommend it for anyone looking for a simple and clean design and minimize desk clutter.